Hi, Baker Bulldogs. Today I'm going to show you how to do the first part of our parody writing assignment. The assignment can be found on Sway. I've uploaded the PDF of the packet, or it can be found in Teams under the Assignments tab. And so you have a couple of different tasks for this first part. And your do now is very simple. What we want you to do is watch the two videos. They're going to be uploaded to Sway as well. So we have an original video of The Lion Sleeps Tonight. You'll probably recognize the song. And then we have a parody that Miss Farrell and I came up with and recorded right before we got out of school. So we want you to listen and watch and think about how they're similar and how they're different. And I want you to think about how, what does our parody keep from the original video, or not video, but recording, and what does it change? So after you've thought about that a little bit, you're going to come down, scroll down the page, or turn to the next page in the assignment, and we're going to do a little analysis. You might need some highlighters, a pencil, a rhyming dictionary, and if you want to listen to the song, you can, but I think you'll probably know it. So for your song, the song that you're going to do is a little bit different. So this is just my example. So your first job is to use different colors to highlight the different rhymes. And in Teams, this is actually pretty cool. You can use a highlighter. So you can use this little tab to highlight a word if you want to do that. Or you can go click on the Draw tab, and you can click on this little guy, and this is a highlighter. And look, it gives you a couple different colors, and you can just draw directly over the word, which is really neat. So if we look at the first two lines, oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam. The two words that rhyme are home and roam. If we keep going, and the deer and the antelope play. Does play rhyme with home or roam? The answer is no. Okay, so I'm going to use a different color. I'm going to highlight play. Where seldom is heard a discouraging word. So because heard and word are two new rhyming words, I'm going to pick a new color. Well, seldom is heard a discouraging word. And the skies are not cloudy all day. That should say not. I'm going to fix that. So day rhymes with play, so I'm going to highlight it in pink again, which is pretty cool. So that's step one. Once we've figured them out, we're going to take those same colors and we're going to highlight the end of the line over here, just to give us a little reminder of what the rhyme scheme should look like. I'm really enjoying the highlighter feature. I did not know about this until recently. It's kind of cool. So once we've kind of planned ahead and we know what our rhyme scheme is going to look like, we have to figure out how many syllables are in each line. And you can do that just by counting them, like counting on your fingers as you say the line. Oh, give me a home is 5 syllables. So I'm going to go back here so that I can type in my, oh, there we go. We'll go back to this so I can type in my box. Give me a home is 5. Where the buffalo roam is 6. And the deer and the antelope play is 9. And then it repeats. Where seldom is heard, 5. A discouraging word, 6. And the skies are not cloudy all day, 9. So once you've figured out the number of syllables in each line, the fun part begins. You have to use the original song to come up with your parody. And so what I came up with, I decided one of the things I'm most excited about for the summer and for the nice weather is hiking. I love hiking, and I just went and hiked up Mount Si, and it was really fun and really hard, but really fun. So I wanted to come up with a parody about hiking. And so I started with just the first line. Let's go for a hike. And then I couldn't figure out what rhymes with hike. To some place that we like. Let's go for a hike to some place that we like. And then I had to come up with something new. And we'll walk through the trees up a trail. So I've got my first two rhymes and then the first rhyme of, I guess, what we call the second set. So my first two are right here, and then this is the first rhyme of the second set, meaning down here. But we have to change the rhyme scheme for the next line. So we'll walk through the trees up a trail. We'll take lots of snacks. I am all about my snacks, guys. In our hiking backpacks, because where else would you put them? And then finally, and we'll move at the pace of a snail. It took us approximately 3.5 hours to get to the top of Mount Si. And man, did it feel good when we got there. So anyways, it's a fun task to create a parody. And when you understand how many syllables are in each line and where the rhymes need to happen in each line, it makes it a lot easier. So try it on your assignment. Once again, the assignment can be found up in your assignments page. You'll have your own notebook page that you can edit and fill in just like this one with a different song. So check it out. Have fun. Let me know if you have any questions.